Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying compatibility and power. Make sure your iPad supports either a Smart Connector keyboard or Bluetooth HID, and charge the keyboard above 20%. Once done, switch the keyboard on and place it within 3 meters of the iPad. Next, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the iPad is discoverable. Keep that screen visible. This starts the connection process. You're preparing both devices so the iPad can find and authenticate the keyboard quickly without interruptions. You'll now complete pairing and fine-tune behavior. If using Bluetooth, tap the keyboard name under Devices and type, or confirm any PIN shown. This verifies secure pairing. If using a Smart Connector, physically attach the keyboard to the iPad's connector. Watch for the keyboard to appear in settings as recognized. Once connected, go to Settings General Keyboard Hardware Keyboard to set layout and modifier mappings. Make sure language and shortcuts match your workflow so commands like Command-Tab work as expected. You finish by validating function. Open Notes and test Command, Option, FN, arrow keys, and media/backlight controls. If keys behave oddly, check for firmware updates for the keyboard or update iPad OS, since software mismatches cause most issues. Once updated, try unpairing and repairing. Restart the iPad if necessary. If the keyboard still fails, test a different keyboard to isolate hardware issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the iPad before deeper diagnostics. This clears transient Bluetooth and driver errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.